The All Progressive Congress APC for Edo State don officially welcome Honorable Kaycee Osamwonyi, wey dey represent Uhumwonde local government area for Edo State House of Assembly, as im waka comot from People's Democratic Party (PDP) join APC. Dem announced the deflection for one meeting for APC State Secretariat for Benin City, where the party state chairman Emperor Dare Tenebe preside over.
I welcome you, Honorable Kaycee Osamwonyi, into the APC, the Progressive family, today, and take this broom to sweep the rest of your constituency and get all the people that voted for you at the time you were coming to the house into APC. You are welcome to the family.
Oga Dare Tenebe for your address come talk say,
I once again welcome you all to this epoch-making event, which represents another milestone in the political life of APC, Edo State. Today, another historic chapter has been opened for both the APC and the good people of Edo State. First, let me congratulate Edo people for the success recorded at the tribunal and salute their unwavering support throughout the legal process. It is with profound gratitude that I state another golden chapter has been added to the growing history of the APC in Edo State. I am proud to say, with all sense of responsibility, that the leadership provided by His Excellency, the Grand Commander of the Armed Forces, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, has repositioned the APC as the new sheriff in town. That same leadership style has been emulated by our own governor here in Edo State, distinguished Senator Monday Okpewolo. In just a few months in office, the unprecedented developmental stride recorded under Senator Monday Okpewolo's administration have caused opposition political parties to fade into political oblivion. Moving forward, I express my sincere appreciation that some members of PDP have begun to reflect on the need to collaborate with our governor in delivering the Edo State of our dream through renewed hope agenda. The decision by Honorable Kaycee Osamwonyi to defect from the PDP to the APC was informed by the irreconcilable crisis and internal quagmire that have plagued its former party conditions, which have made the realization of their political goals impossible. In line with the provision of Section 68, subsection 1G of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 999 as amended, which states, being a person whose election to the House was sponsored by a political party, he becomes a member of another political party before expiration of the implementation of the period for which the House was elected, provided that his membership of the latter political party is as a result of a division in the political party of which he was previously a member, or of a merger of two or more political parties or faction by one of which he was previously sponsored. Today, we are pleased to receive into our fold a respected and courageous member of the Edo State House of Assembly, Honorable Kaycee Osamwonyi, who has activated this constitutional provision to join the APC. His decision reflects his commitment to contributing meaningfully to the betterment of Edo State. As we welcome him into our political party, let us remind ourselves of the need to promote unity, collaboration, and unwavering support for the renewed hope agenda of Mr. President, an agenda which we are determined to nurture here in Edo State. On behalf of the APC in Edo State, I want to reaffirm that the party remains committed to supporting Governor Monday Okpewolo in the full implementation of his 5-point agenda and campaign promises. As our governor has always said, the doors of APC are wide open to all well-meaning Edo sons and daughters who wish to key into this transformative movement. In conclusion, I warmly thank our brother, Honorable Kaycee Osamwonyi, for joining us today. I assure him and everyone listening that the APC is one big, happy family where there is no segregation or victimization. Long live APC, long live Edo State, and long live the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Honorable Kaycee Osamwonyi for im talk on yan say in coming back to join APC na like person wey return back to im real house. He contact the APC leaders wey dem take accept am well and say the katakata wey dey for PDP both for national and state level na wetin make am decide to port from PDP enter APC.
For me, I am back home. The APC has been my home. I started my political career, my active political career in APC. And for me, I am back home. This is not a reception ceremony. This is like a welcome home. It's more like a prodigal son. So I'm back home. My dear brother, Ebo Stone, we have come a very long way. The state chairman and members of the state working committee here present. Just like I mentioned, the APC is my own. Even before today's event, I've sent my emissary. The 10 councillors from my constituency, they are already aligned with the All Progressive Congress. The chairman can attest to that is here present. This is home for me. My decision to join the party today is as a result of the division in my former party, the PDP, from the national level to the state level.
To the units.
And most importantly, during my campaign, I made a strong promise to the good people of Uhumwonde constituency that the interests of my people will come first before my interest. And me being here today is the decision of the majority of Uhumwonde people. We are in democracy, and democracy is about majority. I'm here today as a result of the decision of the majority of critical stakeholders and the people of Uhumwonde. And I've told them during my campaign that whenever your position come in a variance with my position, your own position will come first. And that is why I'm here today. And I also make a strong promise that I didn't join politics because of Naira and Kobo. I joined politics to attract dividends of democracy to my people, so that in many years to come, I will live a life of legacy. And with all the developmental stride of our dear governor, Senator, distinguished Senator Mojo Okwewolo. By the grace of God, I'm a member of the Outstanding Committee on Budget and Appropriation. And I know the list, rather the series of projects that have been embedded in this year's budget. And the only way this project can become manifest is when I align with the governor. And just like I mentioned, the interest of my people comes first. We want them first. This development, the road infrastructure, the school infrastructure, the people infrastructure, cannot manifest if I'm not the same political party with the government. Today I come humbly and I bow and tremble for the indefatigable governor, the governor I describe with a man of grace. Because my people have been in total suffering for so long. And with the blueprint of our governor, distinguished Senator Monto, that people cannot be left out with this development. So we want them must be counted among the constituency and local government that is going to experience the developmental strike. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Thank you, my leader. Thank you, my leader from the state chairman and all other state public committee members. Just like I mentioned, I'm a man with few words and many actions. With my coming to the APC today, we want there is one way. All my people, just like my leader, the state chairman mentioned, all the people who want men and women, youth that will be here today. But when that time comes, you will see them. Be rest assured that I'm here with more than 10,000 of my followers from the world.
APC members wey gather for the event welcome Honorable Kaycee Osamwonyi say na better addition im be to the party. Many people believe say this movement go help APC strengthen their support for grassroots level as dem dey prepare for the 2027 general elections. Make una no forget say as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Kaycee Osamwonyi, TMC News.